All right. Are both teams ready to begin?
Yep.
Yep. Let's go. Good luck.
Yep. Good luck to both teams. Then we can begin with goals back up. Toss-up 1. Chemistry, short answer. In a hypothetical reaction, one molecule of A decomposes into two molecules of B in a zeroth order reaction. Identify all of the following three statements that are true of this reaction. 1. The half-life of the reaction increases over time. 2. Plotting concentration of molecule A over time yields a straight line. 3. The reciprocal of the reaction rate increases linearly. Chris, interrupt.
2 only.
That's correct. And your bonus. Chemistry, short answer. Order the following three compounds by increasing stability of their hydrates. 1. Methyl ethyl ketone. 2. Hexafluoroacetone. 3. Acetaldehyde.
Acetaldehyde was the last one. Okay, so increasing stability. So the least stable should be the less hindered one, right? So 3, 1, 2. Let's say.
5 seconds.
Maybe 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Go for it, whatever.
3, 1, 2 final.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is 1, 3, 2.
Okay.
Toss-up 2. Biology, short answer. The lack of orexins in the VLPO secretion centers of the brain is implicated in which disorder? Jeffrey?
Parkinson's?
That's incorrect. Caleb?
Huntington's disease.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is narcolepsy. Toss-up 3. Earth and space, short answer. What term is given to specific groups of asteroids that follow the same eccentricity and inclination in their orbits, but do not usually collide? Mason?
Hirayama families.
That's correct. And your bonus. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following three statements that are true regarding meteorites. 1. Iron meteorites cooled slowly after formation. 2. Chondrules within chondrite meteorites cooled slowly. 3. Calcium aluminum rich inclusions crystallize at high temperatures.
Okay, I'm pretty sure 2 is not true, isn't it? They cool like really quickly for chondrules.
Yeah, they're the created ones,
I
right?
think 1 is true because you get those weird pattern things.
Yeah, Wiedemann starting.
3.
5 seconds.
Defer to Mason.
A 1 and 3.
That's correct.
Nice.
Toss-up 4. Math, multiple choice. Ryan is constructing a basis for r cubed using the vectors 6i plus 7j and 9i plus 7j. Which of the following vectors could not make a valid basis with the previous two vectors? W. 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Tim, interrupt.
X.
That's correct. And your bonus. Math, short answer. Alice and Bob play a game with N marbles, with Alice going first. On every player's turn, they can remove either 1 or 2 marbles, and whoever takes the last marble wins. Assuming optimal play, for how many values of N between 1 and 2020 inclusive does Bob win?
Isn't it just like a couple of cases? Like,
is it not 673 just multiples of 3?
5 seconds.
okay.
673.
Okay, 673 final.
That's correct.
Nice. Oh, right. Wait, we did this in our game theory lecture. I totally forgot.
Toss-up 5. Energy, short answer. Researchers at Pacific Northwest National Lab have been studying the physiological effects of ketone bodies in the bloodstream. When ketogenesis occurs in the liver, what other biochemical process? Edward, interrupt.
Gluconeogenesis.
That's correct. And your bonus. Energy, short answer. Scientists at Pacific Northwest National Lab have studied the propagation of uranium compounds in the environment. A common oxycation of uranium, the uranyl ion, has the chemical formula of UO2 2+. What is the bond order of the uranium-oxygen bond in the uranyl cation?
UO2 2+. I don't. It's probably like 1.5.
5 seconds.
I don't know. Sure, 1.5 final.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is 3. Toss-up 6. Physics, multiple choice. A particle with its spin in the same direction as its motion is said to be which of the following? W. Spin up. X. Spin down. Y. Left-handed. Z. Right-handed. Jeffrey?
W.
That's incorrect. Chris?
Z?
That's correct. And your bonus. Physics, short answer. A 2 microcoulomb charge is placed 3 centimeters away from an infinite conducting sheet. To the nearest whole number, how many newtons of force does it experience?
I have no.
5 seconds.
Go with like
4 final.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is 10. Toss-up 7.
Oh, sorry. Never mind. Go ahead.
Earth in space, short answer. The Penrose process proposes the extraction of energy from a rotating black hole. Mason, interrupt.
Ergosphere.
That's correct. And your bonus. Earth in space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true of the Venusian surface and atmosphere. 1. There exist both shield and composite volcanoes. 2. There exists a high proteum to deuterium ratio due to the lack of an ozone layer. 3. Venus possesses a weak but effective magnetic field.
3 is probably true. I'm sure it's pretty weak. 1 is.
I think
Is 1 also true?
thought it was only shield volcanoes, to be honest. Oh wait, no, wait, that's Mars. Oh wait, no, am I getting it wrong?
1. I think it's 1 and 3 because I
5
think
seconds.
there's a lot of deuterium.
Okay, 1 and 3 final.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is none.
Damn.
Astro sucks. Did you just get that Astro toss-up?
Toss-up 8. Biology, short answer. Larger metabolites such as flavonoids and anthocyanins are often transported into the central vacuole without the dependence of a concentration gradient, but rather with ATP. What general group of transporters transport these large molecules? Mason?
ABC transporters.
That's correct. And your bonus. Biology, short answer. nucleotide analogs have provided great insight into the molecular structure and function of ATP binding proteins and nucleotide binding proteins in general. Which of the following statements is not true regarding these nucleotide analogs? W. MgF3 can be used to mimic the transition state for a phosphoryl transfer reaction. X. MgADP-VO4 can be used to trap the metaphosphate transition state for phosphoryl transfer. Y. ATPS has proven to be one of the best analogs for ATP, but it is slowly hydrolyzed. Z. AMPPNP is often used to mimic ATP in the active site of an enzyme, but generally binds less tightly than ATP.
Y sounds legit. I don't know. Wait, like I don't think the answer is Y.
I don't know.
I don't know. You want to go like
5 seconds.
W maybe? That sounds funny.
Sure.
Okay,
Good
W
choice.
final.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is X. MgADP-VO4 can be used to trap the metaphosphate transition state for phosphoryl transfer. Toss-up 9.
Can we get a
Energy
score check,
short.
please?
Yep. Going into toss-up 9, the score is 22-26 with Geo up. Toss-up 9. Energy short answer. Scientists at Brookhaven National Lab are studying the synthetic applications of the Staudinger amine synthesis that goes through an azide intermediate. What molecule acts as the leaving group in order to generate the amine? Chris?
Nitrogen.
That's correct. And your bonus. Energy short answer. Researchers at Brookhaven National Lab have been measuring the rates of diffusion through cell membranes to aid in the development of drug delivery. Which of the following scenarios best increases the fluidity of a cellular membrane? W. An increase in temperature. X. A decrease in the length of the alkyl change in the lipid bilayer. Y. An increase in the percentage of unsaturated fatty acids in the lipid bilayer. Z. An increase in the rate of transverse diffusion of lipids.
Seems like Y or it's W.
I thought it was W, but wait, why would Y increase it more than W? Why do you think it's Y?
I don't know why it increases it more, but like Y would definitely make it more fluid because unsaturated fatty acids are the oils, and then saturated ones are like the fats.
That makes sense.
5 seconds.
I think go
Y
with
final.
Y.
Y final.
That's correct.
Nice.
Toss-up 10. Math short answer. A tree has 2020 vertices. What is the maximum number of edges that it could have? Jeffrey?
2019.
Stalls.
That's correct. And your bonus. Math short answer. What is the minimum side length of an equilateral triangle that can fit 3 disjoint unit circles in its interior?
Oh god. Okay. So 2 over root 3. Wait, that's 2 plus 1. What is that, root 3? 2 plus 2 root 3. Did I do this right? Okay.
Time.
2. Wait, did you say 5 seconds?
I did. Did my mic not pick it up?
I did not hear it.
I did not
But
hear that either.
my answer is 2 plus 2 root 3.
I'll turn down my sensitivity. That is correct, but it was after time.
But
I'm
no
sorry.
one heard time.
Wait, I heard time. I just didn't hear 5 seconds.
Yeah, 5 seconds. I didn't hear 5 seconds. Yeah, but I'm giving my answer based off of when 5 seconds is given. So if I never heard 5 seconds, then I'm just gonna assume that 5 seconds hasn't been reached. So
Time dilation with
Let me-
Jeffrey. Time dilation
Let me
with Jeffrey. They don't say 5 seconds. It's not 5 seconds.
Wait, can someone on their team verify that? Can someone on Blazers verify she didn't
Yeah,
say?
I don't believe anyone heard. I don't believe anyone heard. I don't think my mic picked it up.
I see.
My
come back to
call
it?
is that I was gonna say my call is that it's 20 seconds either way. If this affects the game, we will go back to it.
yeah, because the thing is that I had the answer, but I was just waiting for you to say 5 seconds, so then I would just give the answer when he said 5 seconds. So like that way I just have like time to check my work. But like I know it's for 20 seconds either way, but I'm also basing my decision making off of you giving the 5-second warning.
Yeah, I will go back to this if it affects the game. So 10-point swing then.
Okay.
For now, toss up 11. Chemistry, short answer. What is the term given to the region produced in infrared spectroscopy in which compounds? Jeffrey, interrupt.
Fingerprint region.
That's correct. And your bonus. Chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are generally true of high-spin complexes. 1. They contain strong field ligands. 2. They are paramagnetic. 3. They have a large crystal field splitting energy.
High spin. Isn't high spin weak? So it'd be like 1 if 3 are false, and then I don't know about 2, but high spin. It's probably paramagnetic.
5 seconds.
It's probably none. I don't know. Non-final.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is 2 only. And toss up 12 after we grab the half. Physics, short answer. 2 metal plates are arranged to form a parallel plate capacitor. A third identical plate is inserted halfway in between the other 2. By what factor is the capacitance of the device multiplied? Chris, interrupt.
4.
That's incorrect. I'll reread for the other team. Physics, short answer. 2 metal plates are arranged to form a parallel plate capacitor. A third identical plate is inserted halfway in between the other 2. By what factor is the capacitance of the device multiplied? Jeffrey?
1.
That's correct. And your bonus. Physics, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true of the weak interaction. 1. It acts only on charged particles. 2. It conserves lepton number. 3. It mediates the decay of the top quark.
3 is true. 2 should be true. Only charged particles. No. 1 is false because it acts on like neutrinos. Conserves lepton number. It has to conserve lepton number, right? Yeah. That's why neutrinos exist. So, and 3. Okay. 2 and
5
3
seconds.
final.
That's correct. That is the half. The score is 32 to 48. Geo up with 10 points potentially in Geo's favor. All right. Would either team like a 2-minute break?
Yes, please.
All right. And let me know on substitutions.
Tiffany, I think Anurag wants to be dragged in.
Okay, I can do that. Is he? Cool.
Zahn just got fired. Guess no one cares, but okay.
Oh, also Brandon wants to be subbed in. Or not subbed in, I meant dragged in.
Alright.
Is this being streamed somewhere?
This is not being streamed. I believe David is streaming Mira and Ames.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I know. I thought there was like a poll, right, for like which one.
Yeah, and then he ignored it because he wanted to do that one.
That's cool.
Alright, I believe 2 minutes are just about up. Blazers, would you like to make a substitution?
Yes, please. We would like to sub Eric for Justin.
Alright. In that case, are both teams ready to begin? Or continue?
Yep.
Alright. Then we can continue with Toss-up 13, Biology, Multiple Choice. In a bottom-up model of a hypothetical ecosystem, sharks eat humans, humans eat chickens, and chickens eat mustard plants. If you wish to increase the chicken population, which of the following would have the largest impact? W. Add sharks. X. Remove humans. Y. Add mustard plants. Jeffrey, interrupt.
W?
That's incorrect. I'll reread for the other team. Biology, multiple choice. In a bottom-up model of a hypothetical ecosystem, sharks eat humans, humans eat chickens, and chickens eat mustard plants. If you wish to increase the chicken population, which of the following would have the largest impact? W. Add sharks. X. Remove humans. Y. Add mustard plants. Z. Remove both humans and mustard plants. Caleb.
X.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is Y. Add mustard plants. Toss-up 14. Math, short answer. What is the divergence of the vector field f of x, y, z equals xyi plus yzj plus xzk? Jeffrey?
yi plus zj plus xk.
That's incorrect. Chris?
Plus Y plus Z.
That's correct. And your bonus. Math, short answer. What is the sum of the two largest prime factors of 123,860? Sorry, I'm rereading the number. 123,876. Five seconds.
Is it 68? I have no idea.
68 finals.
That's correct.
Nice.
Fast back.
Toss-up 15. Earth and space, multiple choice. Galactic fountains are features that spread relatively hot, metal-enriched gas high above the disk of a spiral galaxy. Which of the following best describes how most galactic fountains form? W. Intense stellar winds and supernova. X. Tidal forces from a central supermassive black. Mason, interrupt.
Is it W?
That's correct. And your bonus. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 characteristics that would be expected for subtropical gyre circulation in the northern hemisphere. 1. Downwelling at the center. 2. Counterclockwise flow. 3. Stronger eastern boundary currents and weaker western boundary currents.
Oh, I forgot how to do this. There's probably downwelling. Is it counterclockwise? Oh, I fucking forgot Coriolis.
Northern is probably counterclockwise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe say
Yeah, I forgot the one first.
5 seconds.
all of them.
Defer
maybe?
to Mason.
All of them.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is 1 only.
Can we get the score again? Jeffrey wants to
All
score
right.
too.
Score going into toss-up 16 is 46-48. Gio up. Yes, including the possible 10 points. Toss-up 16. Physics, multiple choice. Which of the following pairs of statements are true of the tension in a hanging chain? W. Both vertical and horizontal tension are constant. X. Vertical tension is constant while horizontal tension is highest at the center. Y. Vertical tension is highest at the center while... Jeffrey, interrupt.
Z.
That's incorrect. I'll reread for the other team. Physics, multiple choice. Which of the following pairs of statements are true of the tension in a hanging chain? W. Both vertical and horizontal tension are constant. X. Vertical tension is constant while horizontal tension is highest at the center. Y. Vertical tension is highest at the center while horizontal tension is constant. Z. Both vertical and horizontal tension are highest at the center. Chris?
W?
That's incorrect. Correct answer is Y. Vertical tension is highest at the center, horizontal tension is constant. Any comment to make?
I feel like
Either way, Z is false, so your protest will get denied.
yeah, but I'm saying there might be the possibility that none of them are right. Because I feel like wouldn't the tension be the highest at the top? Vertical.
I can ask anyways.
So then if none of the answers
so.
are right, then you just like throw it out. Yeah, okay, so like if you consider like an infinitesimal piece of string, then if you look at the vertical component, then the tension pointing up equals the tension pointing down plus the weight of the like little piece. So then that means that as you like move up the rope, the tension should increase. So which would imply that the tension's highest at the top.
To be fair, in real science, though, they don't accept your protests even if they are correct.
I just pinged Derek. We'll see if he responds. Oh, he's typing right now. Okay. Might be able to let you know right now then.
But yeah, the horizontal should be constant. So
Derek says that is true. Okay.
yeah, it doesn't matter. You only have to look at the vertical components. Yeah, it doesn't matter that it's not a line. You just have to look at a vertical. Like if you take like a small infinitesimal piece, like it's gonna have some vertical, like there's still gravity acting in a vertical direction, and then you just look at like the vertical component of the Because it's asking about the vertical component of the tension, right? So if you look at a vertical component of the tension up and down, then that's the difference has to equal the weight of that piece.
Yeah, I'm getting a replacement. I will get to the replacement at the end of this round.
Were none of their choices correct?
In that case, none of the choices are correct. But I guess for now, toss-up 17. Energy, short answer. Researchers at Los Alamos National Lab are studying the Earth's interior. Which of the following statements is false about their research? W. The phase change between the spinal and perovskite structure occurs within the D double prime layer. X. Positive velocity anomalies in seismic tomography are associated with cooler rock. Y. Phase changes in olivine cause discontinuities in seismic wave velocities. Z. Some mantle minerals may store water within their structure. Mason?
X.
That's incorrect. Chris?
W.
That's correct. And your bonus. Energy, multiple choice. Researchers at Oak Ridge National Lab are investigating specific crystal defects. Which of the following best describes a Frankel defect? W. A crystal lattice changes direction, creating a grain boundary. X. A particle changes lattice site, creating a vacancy defect and an interstitial defect. Y. A combination of an edge dislocation and a screw dislocation. Z. A switch between two atoms of different types in an ordered crystal lattice.
I'm pretty sure it's X. This is in Housecraft.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's X.
It's just where like an ion like moves to a different part of the lattice, so you get like a whole.
I remember knowing something about a vacancy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
X final.
That's correct.
People read Housecraft. No one reads Housecraft. The book is like Wikipedia. Impossible to read.
The score going into toss-up 18 is 60 to 48 in favor of Blazers. Geo does have the potential 10 points, and there is that one cycle that's being replaced. Toss-up 18. Chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following would not be a way to efficiently generate a ketone? W. Reaction of a nitrile with a Grignard, and then protonation by a weak acid. X. Reaction of a Weinreb amide with a Grignard, and then protonation by a weak acid. Y. Reaction of an ester with a Grignard, and then protonation by a weak acid. Z. Reaction of an acyl chloride with a dialkyl cuprate, then protonation by a weak acid. Jeffrey?
X.
That's incorrect. Chris?
Y.
That's correct. And your bonus. Chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 catalysts that contain a transition metal carbene complex. 1. Wilkinson. 2. Schrock. 3. Grubbs.
3 is yes. Schrock? There's just Schrock carbene, but I don't know if there's Schrock catalyst. And 1 is no. So it's either 2 and 3 or 3 only. I don't know about Schrock catalyst. I know Schrock carbene is.
Schrock. Is Schrock carbene like not a catalyst?
5 seconds.
2 and 3 final.
That's correct.
Nice.
Toss-up 19. Biology, short answer. What element, a mammalian micronutrient, is a common cofactor for thyroid peroxidase enzymes? Mason?
Iodine.
That's incorrect. Chris?
Manganese.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is selenium.
All the biochem is
Toss
so
up.
hard.
Toss up 20. Math, short answer. How many terms are in the binomial expansion of open parentheses x squared plus xy plus y squared close parentheses to the 7th power? Jeffrey?
2,187.
That's incorrect. Tim?
28.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is 15. Toss up 21. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 mechanisms or phenomena that contribute to ocean mixing. 1. Cyclones. 2. Internal tidal waves. 3. Vertical eddy diffusion. Chris?
All?
That's correct. And
Wait, did I not beat him on that buzz?
you did not. If you want.
Oh.
Okay. Who joined? Hello, you joined. Alright, and Blazers, your bonus. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following statements regarding the speed of sound in seawater is not true? W. There exists a depth at which the speed of sound in seawater reaches a minimum. X. The speed of sound in seawater increases as temperature increases. Y. For a given temperature, the speed of sound in seawater is always greater than that of freshwater. Z. The speed of sound in seawater can be expressed as a bivariate function of temperature and salinity.
W seems true. Z seems true. So I think it's either X or Y.
It should increase with. So
Speed increase with temperature? I have no idea.
5 seconds.
Just go with that. That's fine.
Okay, X final.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is Z. The speed of sound in seawater can be expressed as a bivariate function of temperature and salinity.
What else does it depend on? I'm not challenging, I'm just wondering. Pressure. Oh, okay.
Going into, 2 cycles left, the score is 78-48. Gio has the 10 potential points, and there is that 1 cycle that needs to be replaced. Alright, and, oops. Toss-up 22. Chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following best describes the metal-ligand bond in nickel tetracarbonyl? W. Sigma electrons are donated from ligand to metal. Pi electrons are donated from metal to ligand. X. Sigma electrons are donated from metal to ligand. Pi electrons are donated from...
There's a button.
Oh, Chris, interrupt.
W.
That's correct. Thank you for catching that.
Tiffany, I can send logs for the last
Oh,
question.
thank you. Okay. Why is this not loading? Give me a second. All right. And your bonus. Chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 properties that are greater for the hydrosulfide anion than the hydroxide anion. 1. Nucleophilicity. 2. pKa. 3. Bond length.
Okay, 3 is true.
1 is true.
2 is false, right?
Yes.
Wait, I don't know about the anion, but like H2S has a lower pKa than H2O.
Right,
So-
right. So
What do you think, Caleb?
yeah, that
5 seconds?
seems about 1 and 3.
1 and 3 final.
That's correct.
Can we get another score check? Sorry, we can't see the scoreboard, so I keep on asking you for score checks.
It's good. Going to last cycle, the score is 92-48. Blazers up 10 points. Potential for Geo and 1 cycle to replace. All right, and toss-up 23. Physics, multiple choice. Soap bubbles appear to have iridescent, rainbow-colored appearances. This occurs due to the varying effects of what optical phenomenon at different wavelengths? W. Emission. X. Absorption. Y. Refraction. Z. Jeffrey, interrupt.
Why?
That's incorrect. I'll read for the other team. Physics, multiple choice. Soap bubbles appear to have iridescent, rainbow-colored appearances. This occurs due to the varying effects of what optical phenomenon at different wavelengths? W. Emission. X. Absorption. Y. Refraction. Z. Interference. Tim.
Z.
You tie B. Yeah, that's correct. In your bonus. Physics, short answer. A 1 kilogram particle with charge 2 coulombs is placed into an electric field with potential V of x equals 3x plus 4 in volts. If it begins at rest at the origin, how many meters has it traveled after 5 seconds?
So the force is what? Wait, isn't the force just -3? So it's a constant force.
I don't know, man.
I can't do kinematics. What's the answer?
5 seconds.
15 or something.
5 final.
That's incorrect. Correct answer is 75. All right. And Derek sent me replacement. We can do that. So that's an actual question. All right. Give me a second to get that. Yuchen, can you also check physics? I believe this was not one that is in a later packet, but I want to make sure. I don't think it's in a later packet, though.
Yeah, let me check. I mean, I don't think so, but I also didn't look too closely at physics, so yeah.
I don't believe it was.
Okay. Let's go ahead and use it.
All right. And the replacement toss-up, physics, multiple choice. Which of the following is most accurate for objects moving close to the speed of light? W. Energy is proportional to momentum. X. Energy is proportional to the square of momentum. Y. Energy approaches a constant. Z. Momentum approaches a constant. Edward.
W.
That's correct. All right, and then your bonus, wherever it was. All right, bonus for Geo. Physics, short answer. 2 identical blocks, A and B, each have an edge length of 8 centimeters and a density of 100 kilograms per meter cubed. Block A is placed in a container with water of density 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed, while Block B is placed in an identical container with ethanol of density 800 kilograms per meter cubed. In cubic centimeters, how much more of Block B is submerged in the liquid than Block A?
So it's 1/8 and 1/10. So it's like 1/40 times 512. So 64. Is this cubic centimeters, right?
5 seconds.
Okay. 64/5 final.
That's correct. Right, let me update score sheet. All right, the final score is 96-62. Beltway Blazers win. I'm not going to bother dealing with the one thing where I didn't say where Mike didn't pick up 5 seconds because it doesn't affect the game. Alright, thank you all for playing. And putting you guys into